Are you a student looking for ways to make money? If that's a yes, you've clicked on the right video. Today, we're embarking on a journey to explore 10 effective ways students can earn money. In an era where financial self-sufficiency is more than just a desired trait, it's become a necessity. As students, you're not only pursuing academic excellence, but also laying the foundation for a financially independent life. It's a challenge, but one that can be met with creativity and a little hustle. We've delved deep, correlating our findings with renowned research and corporate studies, so you can trust the authenticity of our methods. From freelance writing to participating in online market research, we've got it all covered. Each method is unique, promising, and most importantly, feasible. So buckle up and prepare to take notes. Stay tuned as we unveil these money-making methods one by one. Kicking off our list, we have freelance writing. Now, this one's for those of you who have a way with words. You see, the world of freelance writing is vast and varied, with opportunities for every style and skill level. Whether you're a poet, an essayist, or even a budding novelist, there's a place for you in the freelance market. Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr are brimming with writing gigs, from blog posts and articles to scripts and even full-length books. And the best part? You can work from the comfort of your own home, setting your own hours. Potential earnings can vary greatly, depending on the complexity of the project and your level of expertise. But with dedication and a bit of hustle, it's entirely possible to make a tidy sum from freelance writing. So, if you have a way with words, freelance writing could be your ticket to making some extra cash. Next on our list, we have tutoring. Now, this is a brilliant opportunity for those of you who excel in certain subjects. You see, not only can you help others grasp difficult concepts, but you can also earn a bit of money on the side. It's a win-win situation, really. You may wonder, where to start? Well, there are numerous platforms available that connect tutors with students in need. Two of the most popular ones are Chegg Tutors and Tutor.com. These platforms allow you to share your academic expertise with students across the globe, all from the comfort of your home. And let's not forget, tutoring isn't just about the extra income. The process of teaching others can significantly reinforce your own knowledge. You might even find yourself understanding the subject matter on a deeper level. So in essence, tutoring not only earns you money, but also reinforces your own knowledge. Third on our list is participating in research studies. Now, this is an interesting one. Universities, corporations, and various organizations are constantly conducting research, and they need participants. That's where you come in. You can participate in these studies, often without even having to leave your house. You might be wondering, where do I find these studies? Well, there are several platforms to consider. Prolific, for instance, is a site that connects researchers with study participants. Similarly, Survey Junkie offers paid surveys on a wide range of topics. There's nothing to worry about concerning credibility. These platforms are well established and have been used by thousands of people who've earned money for their time and opinions. So, if you're a student looking for a flexible way to earn money, participating in research studies could be just the ticket. After all, your opinion matters, and with this method, it could also earn you some money. Next up, we have selling handmade goods, one of the most exciting ways to earn money as a student, especially if you're bursting with creativity and artistic talent. You can monetize your skills by selling handmade crafts. Whether it's jewelry, home decor, clothing, or unique artwork, the possibilities are endless. Platforms like Etsy are fantastic online marketplaces that allow you to showcase your products to a worldwide audience. But here's the secret sauce, folks. It's not just about creating beautiful items. It's about understanding your target market, pricing your products correctly, and marketing them effectively. Do your research, find out what sells and who your potential customers are. Use social media to your advantage and don't shy away from telling your story. People love to buy from real individuals, not faceless corporations. But remember, what starts as a hobby might just turn into a thriving business. Turn your hobby into a money-making venture with this method. For animal lovers, we have pet sitting. The concept is simple yet rewarding. You get to spend time with your furry friends and make money at the same time. It's like hitting two birds with one stone. You can start by looking around your neighborhood. There may be busy families or elderly individuals who need help looking after their pets. You can offer to walk dogs, feed cats, or simply provide companionship to these pets while their owners are away. Alternatively, there are apps like Rover that connect pet owners with pet sitters. You can create a profile, set your own rates, and choose the services you offer. It could be anything from dog walking to overnight pet care. The flexibility allows you to work around your study schedule. Remember, trust and reliability are key in this business. So, always treat each pet with care and respect, as if they were your own. With pet sitting, you can make money while spending time with your furry friends. Coming up next is selling old textbooks. Now, we all know how costly textbooks can be, right? What if I told you there's a way to recoup some of that investment? Indeed, selling old textbooks is an excellent way to recover some of the money you've spent on them. Many websites like Amazon or Bookfinder provide platforms where you can list your old books for sale. So how does it work? Well, it's simple. You just list your book, set a price, and wait for a buyer. Keep in mind, though, that the condition of the book and its demand will significantly impact how much you can earn. It's not just about making money either. By selling your old textbooks, you're also helping other students save money and promoting sustainability by reducing waste. So don't let your old textbooks gather dust. Sell them and earn some cash. Eighth on our list is participating in online market research. Now, you might be wondering, how can sharing my opinions make me money? The answer is simple. Various companies and organizations are willing to pay for your thoughts and insights. These organizations use platforms like Vindale Research or Swagbucks to conduct their studies. Here's how it works. You sign up on these platforms and fill out some demographic information. Then they match you with market research studies that are relevant to your profile. Your task is to complete surveys or provide feedback on different products or services. The great thing about this is you can do it from the comfort of your home or between classes. Each survey or task completed earns you points, which you can then exchange for cash or gift cards. It's a straightforward and flexible way to make some extra money while helping shape future products and services. With online market research, your opinions can literally pay off. Next, we have renting out your car. Now, this is a particularly appealing option for those of you who own a car but don't use it every day. The idea is simple. When you're not using it, why not let it earn some cash for you? There are several platforms where you can list your vehicle for rent, and one of the most popular is Turo. Turo, like other similar platforms, offers insurance coverage to protect your car while it's being rented. You can set your own prices and availability, giving you full control over how and when your car is used. It's a fantastic way to offset the costs associated with car ownership like insurance, maintenance, and even that pesky parking permit. So, if your car spends more time parked than it does on the road, why not consider renting it out? Let your car work for you with this method. Last but not least, we have starting a blog or YouTube channel. Now, this isn't just about sharing your thoughts or filming your adventures. This is about turning your passion into a lucrative venture. You might be wondering, how does this work? Well, once you've established a blog or a YouTube channel, you can start earning through ad revenues. Yes, those ads that pop up midway through your favorite videos. They're not just there to annoy you, they're there to make money for the content creator. And it doesn't stop there. Once you've built a sizable audience, companies might approach you for sponsorships. You could be paid to review a product, wear a brand, or even just mention a service. Imagine doing what you love, sharing it with the world, and getting paid for it. It's like hitting a trifecta of joy, passion, and financial gain. Turn your passions into profits with a blog or YouTube channel. And there you have it, 10 ways to make money as a student. We've journeyed through the realm of freelance writing, where your words can turn into gold. We've explored the world of tutoring, where sharing knowledge becomes a lucrative venture. We've delved into research studies, where curiosity pays off. We've discovered the market for handmade goods and pet sitting, where creativity and love for animals can fill your pockets. We've navigated the sea of selling old textbooks and participating in online market research, where your old resources and opinions can be a treasure trove. We've also ventured into renting out your car, where your vehicle becomes an asset, not a liability. Finally, we've visited the world of blogging or starting a YouTube channel where your passion can become your paycheck. Remember, these are not just ways to earn money, but opportunities to learn, grow, and hone your skills. Remember, every penny counts. So start exploring these options and make the most of your student life.